Ugh, why is my head spinning? I feel so sick. What's wrong, Amara? I can't stop coughing. No, I feel really cold right now. Ah! 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 What was that sound? I think I should probably check on the twins because it's so early right now. What's wrong, girls? Mom, my head is hurting so bad. I'm coughing a lot. Well, you do look really sick. I'll get some medicine and you can take some rest. Oh no, we ran out of medicine. I need to rush to the store. Hi, can I please get 2 packets of cold and flu medicine? Sure, let me get them for you. That would be £20, please. £20? Are you sure? Wait, I think I have an idea. Amara, wake up. Why are you waking me up, Alia? I have an idea. Since you're coughing a lot, you should maybe drink water because Mom told you to drink more water. OMG, yeah, now I can finally feel better. So, Amara, do you now feel better? Mom says water helps, but now I feel like a swimming pool. Oh, well, maybe we should search Google to search how to cure a cold fast. Okay. I searched some home remedies and I found that you can try the lotion therapy, which is basically to put lotion on your head for 10 minutes and then your cough will go away. Yeah, that sounds nice. I think this is Mom's cream, but I'll still use it. I think this looks good so far. I'm gonna check on Alia. Okay, now I'm gonna restock the medicine. Alia and Amara, what are you doing right now? And Amara, why do you have face cream all over you? Well, Mom, we were basically searching on Google some how to cure a cold fast and we got these remedies. To be honest, I think those are some silly ideas to do. Well, I got the medicine. You guys can rest or play and I'll make lunch for you. OMG, this game is so fun. I'm so happy right now. I think I'll rest a little bit more because my head is still hurting. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna make the girls lunch. Now I'm gonna cut up these vegetables to add in the ramen. Alia, Amara, lunch is ready. Alia, the ramen tastes so good. Yeah, it does. I love it. Now I'm gonna do the dishes. Finally, I finished washing the dishes. Now I'm gonna check on the twins to see if they're better. Aliyah, Amara, do you now feel better? You both still look really sick. Mom, I still feel really sick. Same. Oh, well, maybe if we go to the doctor, you will get the right treatment and will feel better. Okay. Okay. So this is the outfit, and now I'm just gonna wait for Aliyah and Amara to come. You ready? Now let's go to the doctor's. Both of you can play here until the doctor calls us. Okay, Mum. Okay. Aliyah and Amara, please come to room 30. Okay, girls, let's go now. Okay, Mum. Mum, I don't want to go to the doctor's. I'm scared. I know, Aliyah, but it's okay. I'll be with you. Ugh, fine. Hi, I'm Dr. Anna, and I heard your twins are sick. Yes, they are. This is Aliyah, and this is Amara. Hello. Ugh, Mom, why are we at the doctor's? I hate going to the doctor. It's okay, I'm just gonna do a few tests. Nothing to worry about. I don't want my temperature checked. Oh, I know, but I have to do this. Achoo! So now I have to take the flu injection to prevent your kids from getting flu. Good job, Amara. Good, Alia next. I don't want to take the flu vaccine. I hate it here. Excuse me, have you got out of your mind? I'm so sorry. She just needs a moment. Alia, you have to behave kindly towards others. You've embarrassed me. Fine. Both of your kids need to have flu tablets and rest. Okay, thank you. Alia and Amara, do you now feel better? Yes, we do. That's good to hear. That was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.